Respected Chairperson, teachers and my dear friends, good afternoon to all of you. Myself Amjad Ali, a research scholar from Department of Psychology, Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. I am here to present my paper on the topic entitled Mental Health Among Supervisory Staff of Private and Public Undertakings. As we all know, there is no universally accepted definition of mental health, and every researcher has defined mental health in their own respective ways. WHO 2005 has defined mental health as a state of well-being in which the individual realizes his or her own abilities, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to his or her community. Positive psychology point of view, mental health is defined as an individual's ability to enjoy life and procure a balance between life activities and efforts to achieve psychological resilience. Recently, a field of global mental health has emerged and defined as the area of study, research and practice that places a priority on improving mental health and achieving equity in mental health for all people worldwide. The objective of my research is, since private and public sector differs to each other in terms of their cultural values, other related opportunities and problems, therefore the present investigation is planned to investigate the level of mental health among supervisory staff of private and public undertakings. Hypothesis: supervisory staff of private undertakings would get better mental health as compared to supervisory staff of public undertakings on overall mental health and its different dimensions. The sample of the study is consisting of 160 respondents, 80 supervisory staff from private and 80 supervisory staff from public undertakings were randomly selected from different parts of Delhi. Mental health inventory consisting of 56 items developed by Jagdish and Srivastava, 1983, was administered individually to each respondent of the sample. Each item was rated on 4-point rating scale ranging from always to never with a score 1 to 4. This scale is comprised of 6 dimensions of mental health such as positive self-evaluation, perception of reality, integration of personality, autonomy, group-oriented attitude, and environmental mastery. High score obtained by subject is indicative of good mental health and low score is indicative of poor mental health. The analysis of data was made by T-test. Result: Table 1 indicates mean SD and T value of supervisory staff of private and public undertakings on overall mental health dimensions. As you can see, the score obtained by private sector supervisory staff is mean score of private supervisory staff is 173.1 and SD is 13.09, while in the case of public sector it is found to be 158.2 and 12.10, which is significant at 0.011. This simply concludes that supervisory staff of private undertakings are getting comparatively more sound mental health as compared to supervisory staff of public undertakings due to high conducive organizational climate, more autonomy, and furthermore much authoritative power invested to them along with lower level working stressful situation. The dimensions of mental health is first dimension self-evaluation, and the table number 2 indicates mean SD and T value of supervisory staff of private and public undertakings on positive self-evaluation dimension. Here we can see the value of mean is 33 point in the case of private sector and SD is 2.277, while in the case of public supervisory staff it is found to be 31.3 and 2.00, which is significant at 0.01 level. High score obtained by supervisory staff of private undertakings clearly indicates that private supervisory staff used to assess themselves more positively as compared to supervisory staff of public undertaking, since they realize their potentialities in a more better way, have good confidence level and self-confidence among themselves as compared to supervisory staff of public undertakings. Table number 3 indicates mean SD and T value of supervisory staff of private and public undertakings on perception of reality dimension. And the value of mean here is 25.1 in the case of private sector supervisory staff, and SD is 1.92, while in the case of public sector supervisory staff, the mean value is 20.8 and SD is 1.88, which is significant at 0.01 level. This result is quite clear from the above mentioned finding that supervisory staff of private undertakings are more realistic, far-sighted and sharp in decision making in their different matter of the organization as compared to supervisory staff of public undertakings. Table number 4 indicates mean SD and T value of supervisory staff of private and public undertakings on integration of personality dimension. Here the present findings supervisory staff of private undertakings possess highly decorous, scrumptious, integrated and value-oriented personality, therefore they got better mental health as compared to supervisory staff of public undertakings. Table number 5 indicates mean SD and T value of supervisory staff of private and public undertakings on autonomy dimension. Result here obtained on this dimension clearly indicates that supervisory staff of private undertakings are getting better autonomy and job-related freedom, therefore they got better mental health as compared to supervisory staff of public undertakings. Table number 6 indicates mean SD and T value of supervisory staff of private and public undertakings on group-oriented attitude dimension. Here it is also quite clear from the result of above mentioned table that the supervisory staff of private undertakings are getting more group-oriented attitude, sense of oneness and generosity as compared to supervisory staff of public undertakings. Therefore, they got better mental health as compared to their counterparts because of their positive personality. Table number 7 indicates mean SD and T value of supervisory staff of private and public undertakings on environmental mastery dimension. It is also very much clear from the above table that supervisory staff of private undertakings are getting better mental health as compared to supervisory staff of public undertakings simply because of their environmental brought-up mastery provided by the organization. Now, indeed, sound mental health is need of time in general in different sectors and walk of life, especially in the case of supervisory staff of public undertaking in this regard. Though the sample of this study is quite limited, but it may have its own far-reaching implication in wider perspective. Thank you.